Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in a video hop with 3 other ladies to celebrate Made to Surprise 6th birthday. So we are 4 ladies in this YouTube hop, and it's Sam herself from Made to Surprise, and then it's Hailey, her design team member, and Simone. So their YouTube channels will be in the description box below with all the other info you will need for maybe do a little shopping, because these cute, positively cute stamps and die set is heavily reduced now. They are so cute. So they usually don't have the toy on the back, but I have prepared some because I don't want to have the video too long. I'm just showing you the products on pictures now. I'm using the papers and the stamp and die sets and the sentiment die and stamp set and the hugs. I love the word hugs there, and sending hugs. You always need to send hugs sometimes, so it's a good card to have in your stash. For this you will need a piece of 5 by 7.5 and one that is 5 by 7, and on the long side, the 7.5 side, you score at 1/2 inch and fold and burnish, and then you glue them together, and then you have your card base. And then I have die cut out from the die set, one in cardstock and one in the pattern paper. I love this squirrely thingy. I can see the cats playing around. Yeah, so yeah, and then I glued them together. And then just to make room for the pull tab, I have put foam tape on back, so it will go there. And then I have the thing that will hide the kitty who is going up and down. I have a piece that is the same width and 4¼ high. You don't have to have it this high, but this one is a little bigger, so yeah. And then I want to have all the kitties and toys and sentiment and stuff, so yeah. So this is my plan. So we start with putting the pull tab in. You start from the front and put that in, and then from the back you push it out again, and there it is. It's not hard at all, but I glued 2 tabs together in cardstock just so I can get it a little sturdier. And then the wider the tape you have, the less you see of the image popping up. So I have 1/4 inch, I think, piece of tape on here where this cute cat will be. And I'm taking Sam's pokey tool. It's mine, but It's her design. It's from her brand, Made to Surprise. So I will put her or him there, right on the edge. So the tape will act like a stopper, so it won't go higher than this. So down you go again. So now I can take off the foam tape. And then I will try and get it even. There. And then when he is down, I can look and see if it's, yeah, it's going to be fine. And it looks like he is under the cover. He is a lazy cat, maybe. There. Now I'm trying to get that right in place. And then I came up with a good idea, I think, or a fun idea anyway, to have this paw. I cut off a bit on that so I could have it on the pull tab. So I will put that on with tape. And I hope you enjoy all our videos. And as I said, we are 4 ladies participating, and you have 4 videos to watch today in this YouTube hop. Yeah. Ta-da! That is so fun. Yeah, I will be careful just so I don't, yeah, the glue isn't dried, I think, yet. So this could be like that, and this could be there. I will glue this down, and if you're interested in coloring, I have colored in with my Ohuhu markers, and I will have the numbers in the description box below for the ones I have used. And I forgot to say that I stamped that one and I colored in the die cut, the sentiment, with Distress Ink Faded Jeans. So there they are in place. And now I put foam and stuff on these, and he is going there with the toy on his back. It looks so funny. I love this little kitty, and that cat is so much alike the one we had. But this is so like a smirky face. So cute. Yeah, so now I think I will have that little mouse in between here, so it looks like they are playing with him. And then, so all of these images is in the the set I'm using, Positively Cute. And then I will have that one there, I think. And then this little mouse can be over here. Yeah, so this is the card. So fun. And I think maybe I shouldn't put my fingers on. But this is so fun with the paw on the pull tab. Yeah. So, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's so fun. So thank you for watching, and hop along to the next video in the description box below if you started with me, or number 2 or 3. So yeah, so go to the next one in line, and thank you so much, Sam, for inviting me for this fun YouTube hop. I really appreciate it. And take care, everyone, and happy crafting. Bye.